Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are in a very, very different spot than my normal videos. Lexi and I haven't been out of the house in a while, and we thought it would be fun to answer the questions that we asked you on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook in the car. And this was a fun outing for us to do because we were going a little bit stir crazy and there's only so much takeout you can do. We are currently at Burger Master, which I don't know if you guys have this where you're from, but in Washington, they've got a couple like scattered around. Basically, a Burger Master is just a better quality like fast food joint. The nice thing about Burger Master is you usually eat in your car anyways, so like it's already pretty, what's the word I'm looking for?
Social distancing.
Yeah, so we will see you when the food is here and I have found us a parking spot. Alright folks, we have our food. We have the classic Burger Master fries. What do you dip your fries in? Lexi doesn't dip them in anything because she's a weirdo.
I don't like sauces on anything.
Yeah, you're weird. I'm so happy. We haven't had this in forever. Anyways, let me pull up my questions. You guys asked us some questions on Instagram, so we figured we would make this like a Q&A, but also kind of a mukbang. We're not gonna be like talking about the food that much, we're just gonna be eating. I put something on my story and you guys asked us some questions. We'll start with the comments. How tall are you?
I'm 5'3". I haven't really measured myself in a long time, but I know I'm 5'3" at least.
I'm 5'5", 5'6" on a good day, is what I always say. Okay, he's walking away. Woo! Alright, back to the video. How long have you been playing volleyball? I stopped playing volleyball this year. 7th, I started playing club volleyball.
I started playing club at 11 years old.
If you couldn't be a chef, what do you think you would do after you graduate high school? I'm gonna have Lexi answer this too. A lot of these are geared towards me, and then she's just gonna end up eating.
Well, I'm happy with that.
What do you want to do after high school? Lexi's gonna be a freshman in high school next year.
Woo! I either want to study literature.
Really?
Or criminologist, or these are very different. Like comedian for a side hobby.
I think something in either sort of the beauty lifestyle, whether that's like makeup, hair, whatever, or fitness. But like the business category of all of those. I don't know if that made any sense. How old are you? 17?
13, almost 14.
There we go.
Less than a month.
I'm trying to answer the non-cooking ones because you guys know a lot about the cooking stuff of our lives, but we don't really talk about other things. So, do you ladies ever have fight/sister arguments? I will let you answer that question, or start that question.
Yes, we do.
Really?
Not often. No, we have arguments, we don't have fights. You know?
I would agree. Is there mayo on my burger? No. We're all good. How do people eat and talk at the same? Do they have like fancy people like asking them the questions? When do you graduate? 2021?
2024.
Have you ever been to Canada? I haven't.
I have. I went to Whistler as a kid with my dad.
And we just drove there and watched Barbie Tumbleweed on the way.
And
yes, I've been to Canada. What's your ethnicity? I get this a lot. We're half Japanese and half European. My dad is from like everywhere in Europe and my mom is from Japan. What is a fun fact about the other person? Fun fact about Lexi is she can sing really well. She doesn't like to like talk about it. She can act, she can sing, she can dance so well.
No.
Like she can move, do your neck thing. She can like move her neck.
That's just a weird like...
She has very weird control over her body parts. I don't. I can't even do the freaking
She can't
thing.
dance, but she can sing.
No, I can't.
Fun fact about Amber, she has insane amounts of cosmetics and makeup and skincare and hair products.
I do.
Yeah.
It's
and
really
clothes. And shoes.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't, it's a problem.
I can't. It's so...
Lexi ate too much. Alright everybody, that is the end of our video. Sorry that the lighting was a little bit wonky. We wanted to film this for you guys. We thought it'd be a fun way for you to get to know us. So hopefully it did the job. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you to everyone who asked us questions, and sorry if we didn't get to yours. We actually got quite a few questions and comments and things like that. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you all in next week's video. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye everybody.
When you're curled up in the lonely